Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix tag list must contain at least one tag on Fiverr. As you can see here, I've already entered the tag that I need, but when I click save and continue, it doesn't work. As you can see, it's not working. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, I'm gonna remove everything. I'm gonna enter my tag. Okay, so when you enter your tag, don't press space. Don't press space. You must press on enter. So you press enter, as you can see. Okay, so I'm going to put my next tag. You press enter. Add my other tag. I'm gonna press enter. I'm gonna add another keyword. Press enter. So you can use only 5. I got now 4.